my name's Mad, and this is a Quirky Seeker house tour. This is a 2-bedroom apartment that my husband Nate and I share with my brother-in-law Tim, and I'm going to be showing you like everything as quick as I can, except for not Tim's bedroom and not Tim's stuff, because privacy reasons. You come in through this door on the right, the one with the 1 million locks, and into this little hallway area. Just inside the door here is a little built-in thingy where we keep our wedding rocks, and right now I have my coffee and a key. We also have this telephone, which doesn't actually work but definitely adds charm. We also have this mirrored door which leads to a little entryway closet. This is where we keep our bags, coats, hats, scarves, gloves, and the shoes that we wear most regularly. When you first come into the apartment, you see this room. It is, I think, supposed to be a dining room, but we've used it for a sitting room, an office, a room to serve food out of, everything. We've got some stuff stored in the built-ins down at the end here, but otherwise it's empty because I get antsy. I like to change things up. Moving into the tiny kitchen. We've got the stove oven on the side here with a step stool, a cooler up top, and now I'll just do a sweeping overview of this tiny space. Nate and I love to cook, we love to host friends and family, we want to be hospitable, so this is not the ideal kitchen. But luckily we are minimalists, so even sharing this with my brother-in-law Tim, we're making it work. Suckers in the windowsill. And here's a look inside one of the cupboards. We've just got some oils and tea, and here's some lids for mason jars. Coffee stuff, LaCroix. Here's where we keep some pans and lids under the stove. And then we've got a big pot and a little pot with lids, some bowls and trays, our cutting board. We keep some utensils in that drawer. Mason jars, cutlery, some storage stuff, our plates, and some miscellaneous stuff up top, including a zoodler. Under the sink we have some towels and a broom and dustpan. Under here we keep extra paper bags and soap, and some towels and sponges and stuff up here. And of course in the corner, the holy grail of kitchen appliances, the Vitamix. Moving on into the main living area, this is where we've got our table and chairs and our big couch, kind of cozy hangout area. Nate is working on a project right now, and I didn't want to try and tidy everything up. I figured I'd just film it as it is. Speaking of filming it as it is, this is our big closet. I'd like to think we don't own too much stuff, but every time I look in here, I get pretty bad anxiety, so there's that. This is where we store like cleaning stuff, games, cases for instruments, and a lot of Nate's work stuff. Since we moved this couch into the apartment, I've rearranged the furniture 5 times probably. So this is not how it's always been, but I like it for now. Kind of hides these cords and stuff back here. We've got the instruments over here, a djembe for Nate, a guitar, a ukulele, and a sweeping overview of this room to show you it from another viewpoint, ending with a view of this money tree which may or may not be dying. Moving on, we'll head into this tiny hallway and past Tim's door to this door, to the little closet. Half this stuff's ours, half this stuff's Tim. Stuff on the bottom is for cleaning. Awkward mirror spot, this mirror's really dirty, and the bathroom. This quirky little bathroom is everything. I love it, I hate it, I also love it, and my plants love it. They are thriving. Nate and I keep our towels hung behind the door here. And then we've got the vortex of death. This is like taking a shower in a trash bag. Anybody else got shower problems like this? Double curtain life? The last room of the tour is our bedroom. This is where Nate and I sleep on the floor. There's our dirty laundry hamper in the corner. Snack plant. Bare walls. Tied up curtains. A tree that may or may not be dying. This is it. This is what makes me feel calm. This is what makes me feel safe. This is where we keep our clothes. This is the mirror that I stare into every morning. Who am I? Do I belong? And then behind the door here, we've got a little closet. Barely anything in there. A few out-of-season clothes, some shoes we don't wear all the time. And that's everything. Magic. Unicorns. Thanks for watching.